I could literally say that my new morning routine saved my life. Every single aspect in my life just simply changed because of how I simply changed my morning routine and the start of the day. So I spent some time and did my perfect morning routine to dominate the day. Unless the morning routine, I was rather focusing on my sleep because without a good sleep, there can be no good days. First big thing I realized is a difference between bedtime and sleep time. So when I go to sleep at 10 and wakes up at 6, this doesn't mean that I had 8 hours of sleep. This means that I had 8 hours of bedtime. And from that bedtime, I probably slept only 6 hours. So my rule right now is to have minimum of 9 hours bedtime. At about 2 to 3 hours before I'm going to sleep, grab my blue light blocking glasses. Those glasses will make you more sleepy, you know, and the melatonin will boost up so you can sleep better. The glasses cost about 80 bucks, so if you really want to improve your sleep, I'm a really big fan of this and I recommend you this. Then I tape my mouth every single day to breathe only through nose throughout the whole night because it's very healthy, and with that I prevent the snoring, I prevent breathing with my mouth. But also if you're breathing through your mouth and you're snoring, then your jawline will look like mine and like more shitty. So I really want to improve my jawline. I really want to have this strong and sharp jawline that is, I think, really sexy. So I wake up and the first thing I do is I grab my half-a-liter bottle and I just drink the whole half-a-liter. Then I go into my window and I open it, you know, first look at the sunlight, you know, how the day will be. And then I go down, I grab my towel and I go outside to my garden to have a cold shower. I have a shower in the garden. It's like the best thing the mom could ever bought me. So why am I cold showering in the garden? The first thing is that the water is mostly more colder because it's outside, you know. Then second, I see the sunlight within 5 minutes of waking up, to really look to the sky, to really feel the day, to feel the sun. And even if it's not sunny day, still outside is million times more metrics of sunlight than if you would be inside and see normal light, you know, the LEDs and the light you just have in your bathroom. And then also grounding. I feel the ground with my bare foot, and has been many experiences done. If you will touch barefoot the ground will give you some electrons and it will pump you with energy, and also it helps you with regeneration and you will just feel better and more energized in general. Then after I'm done, I do about 2 to 5 minutes of high intense cardio just to, you know, pump up my body and to feel fresh and warm up. Then I go to the bathroom, I have some skincare, you know, brushing my teeth. But the really important thing to prevent and to not be like small George and to not have the stinky mouth is to brush your tongue. It's not only about brushing your teeth, you know, using mouthwash and chew gums, but the reason your breath is stinky is your tongue. So grab your toothbrush and really brush the tongue, really go deep, even you will fucking gag. Haha, it's funny, sexual thing, but really brush your tongue because this is the reason why you have stinky breath. And you will spit some like greeny yellow thing, and yeah, those are the bacteria that are causing you the stinky breath. So do it fucking every day. I do it every morning and every evening, so my breath never stinks. After this, I go upstairs and then I grab my notebook and I write down 3 or 5 things that I'm grateful for. I have a goal to write down 400 things that I'm grateful for till the end of the year. Right now we have end of the summer, so I have about 4 months. The reason why I do this is to remind myself that I have things in my life that I'm really grateful for, I'm happy about, and then to just realize that I have something in my life, because we mostly think of the things that we want or we need, you know, and then we feel worse because we are not this way, we don't have this much money, this car, blah blah blah. But when you sit down, you know, and you just type, yeah, today I'm grateful for the forest, I'm grateful that I have a garden that I can shower in, I am grateful for the conversation I was having with my mom. Those little things that seems to your ego unnecessary is really important for your mental health. And with this technique, after 2 years of my depression, I was finally able to appreciate the moments in my life, to appreciate the smallest things that I had, and not only focusing to the things that I want or that I need or that I'm not simply good enough. And then if I go to school, I do my breakfast, I don't eat it, I only take it to my bag and I go and went to school, and I have my first meal about at 10, 11 a.m. But if I'm at home, you know, I have right now holidays or it's weekend or I have a free day, I don't do my breakfast. I just simply straight go to work. I do the things that I planned yesterday in my evening routine. It's really important for your productivity because you will save so much focus and your brain points to the day, and you won't do the easiest thing, because if you don't know what to do, then your brain will naturally do the easiest thing. So this is the best productivity hack, to have a timetable for the day. But right now I'm straight focusing on the work. I'm fasted, and the first meal I have of the day is at 1 a.m. after my biggest task, my most important thing is done. And that's pretty much it. I had many type of morning routines. Sometimes I did the meditations in the morning, but I figured out that I'm more sleepy after the meditations, you know, because it's start of the day and I'm still have my eyes closed. So you can maybe add meditations, but I just don't go along with this method. And basically, like, morning routines are also about willpower and discipline. You know, the cold showers. Without cold showers, I just can't have a good day. And I do many cold showers per day after school and before the sleep, and also in the morning. So about 2 to 3 cold showers per day. You can try many varieties, you know, in the morning routine. You can switch it, kind of play with it. And you also don't have to do all of these things right now today. Okay, this is the skill you want to level up. This is some habit that you need to develop. So you have to delete the bad habits, you know, to just wake up and straight go to phone. This is the worst thing you can do. You will start your dopamine, and then the whole day will be about getting more and more dopamine. So you will be less productive, you will eat more junk food, and you will be more on the phone and more on the porn. So this is the first thing that you have to delete. And if you will do this, then you can level up your morning routine. Okay, I'm first on the phone at like 9-10 a.m. when I'm eating and I'm, you know, texting my girlfriend from the school, or if I'm at home and working, I simply am first on my phone at probably like 4 or 5 p.m. So this is the best morning routine I could provide you for success, for the good day, and to really dominate your day, be productive, successful, etc, etc, etc. That just improved my life enormously. If you want more of these tips and if you want to level up in life, then go down and click on the subscribe button. I'm George Lyon. I'm a small teenage YouTuber that is just trying to help you, and this video is evidence of me really trying to help you. So if you need more help, or if you want to simply just improve, then go down, click on the subscribe button right fucking now. If you want to text me with any problem you have, go down to the description. I have Instagram and TikTok here. And if you don't have the time for those longer videos I have on YouTube, then you can go down to the TikTok or the Instagram and watch some shorts. So stay tuned, join us, the lion pack in the jungle, because here you will only improve and transfer from a zebra to a true fucking lion king. Don't be a zebra, become a lion. And a lion has a perfect morning routine, and the first thing in the morning is not grabbing his phone but doing cold showers. Bye, bro.